Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to get the row count for all the tables in a Fabric warehouse. So let me take you to the workspaces here, and one of the workspaces is the sales workspace, and then inside that we have different folders, and one of them is a warehouse. Now we have tech data warehouse, and that's what I would like to use to get the list of those table with the row count. If you go to the warehouse here, then go to the schemas, and then go to the tables, you will see all these tables I have right here. I would like to get the row count for each of the table with the table name. And I can use this system views here. So information schema dot tables can be used to get the list of all the tables. See right here, this is telling me the warehouse name, then it is telling me the table schema DBO, or if I have any others. Now then it is telling me the system table name, and then it is telling me table type. I'm interested only in the base table, so I'm going to filter these records where a table type is equal to base table. So now it is returning us all the tables which are type base table, and these are our user tables. You can see some of them are in the sales schema, and some rest of them are in the DBO schema. So now, depending on this list of the tables, I have written this query that should return us all the tables with our row counter. There is no straightforward system table that I could use to get the row count for all the tables. So I use the old method, that is a select count start from the table. So if you see right here, if I want to get the table, let's say if to get all the records from a table, so I can use simply table name here, and now let's say customer data warehouse 1. So this query is going to give me the row count. In this case, this table has only 0 records, but if the table would have records, it will return me that row count. This is the same query, but I'm building this a dynamic query. So first of all, I'm declaring a variable called query string, type of nvarchar max, and then I'm declaring a new line. So this is only just 2 characters long, and I'm saving char 13 and char 10. So this is defining a new line, because I would like to write something like this. So in this case, I would like to do all those joins here, union all, and select count star from dbo dot maybe test1. So if I run this together, what's going to happen is going to give me the table name and then the row count. So here I'm building that query. So here I'm saving into the query string variable all these queries. So I'm using a select equal to this variable, and then coalesce. So coalesce is return me the non-null value, and then we have a query string plus a new line. So adding that, and then saying union all, and then a new line again. And here is our select query. So select, and then we are using a table schema, table name as table name. Then we have a new line here, count asterisk as row count from table name. And then you are adding these table names here as well. So schema and table name. So this is going to build our dynamic query, and then once the dynamic query is built, and it is getting all the list of the tables from the information schema dot tables, and then we are saying t dot table is equal to base table, and then order by table schema and table name. So once this query is built, you can see right there, I'm going to actually go ahead and execute this query, and you can see that let's go to messages, and it has built this query. Select this. So I'm going to just show you right there a couple of them, and you can copy the whole thing actually, and I can just show you here in the query. So now if we paste in the new query here, this is something like this. So you can each like this. So this will be saved into that variable, and what happened after that, this entire query is executed, and that's the way we'll see the results. So let me take you right here. So this is the printing part that has printed that query, and this is the execution part. So we say execute sp underscore execute SQL, and then whatever this query is saved in this variable. So it is union query, we already saw that. and it will execute this and it give us the list of the table names here, and then the row count. So this is how you will be getting the row count in the Fabric warehouse. There is no straightforward way where I could have like a user sys.partition or other system tables to get the row count. So that's why I have to use this dynamic query to build the queries like this, where I have each of the query and then union to the next one and all. Then right here, sorry, if I want to run this one, I can run till here and I can show you it returns those tables and then the row counter. So it is just old style. Instead of writing for each of the table, I just dynamically union all of them and put it in the variable and then executed that whole query in which was saved in this variable. I will put this code in the description so you can copy and paste from there and get the row count for your tables in the warehouse. I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in the next video.